there's two types of Niemann-Pick disease, NPC and ASMD. Niemann-Pick or NPC is one type, and then ASMD is Acid Sphingomyelinase Deficiency. It's the newer name for what my son has, Niemann-Pick type A and or Niemann-Pick type B. The diseases were discovered, I think, 50 or 60 years ago now, and they were initially grouped together because they can look very similar. They're both lysosomal storage disorders, and the lysosome is the recycling center for the cell, and the accumulation of cholesterol lipid is what kind of these two diseases have in common. The mechanism of why the cholesterol gets inappropriately stored in cells is the difference between the two diseases. The primary symptoms that patients often present with are really enlarged spleen and liver, but they can vary widely from patient to patient. In newborns, they often present sometimes 3 to 6 months after they're born with failure to thrive. And so there's often a diagnostic odyssey that many people with rare disease go through trying to sort out the etiology. There's often lung involvement as well. The lysosomes in every cell in the body, and so literally every cell can be impacted, but the most common organs that are involved are the spleen, the liver, and the lungs. So there are no FDA-approved treatments for either ASMD or NPC in the US, FDA-approved treatments. And specifically for ASMD, there's one therapy that's being studied in clinical trials that's enzyme replacement therapy. And NPC has, I think, several different therapies that are being studied through FDA-approved trials. I think there are 4 or 5 right now that are engaged in the space and are looking at potential treatments. So.